to the Ambani's university, but they are not ready to give a proper salary to the school teachers in our nation. They are not ready to regularize the teachers. They are not ready to allocate money for the education institutions and the state government for promoting the education sector. So in India, some of the sectors, some of the areas, the teachers are not getting salary each and every month.
So why are you coming here?
I am from Andhra Pradesh State Teachers Union, State Pension Secretary,
Tell your issue.
Now the nation is facing a crucial situation regarding the education system. We, the people of Andhra Pradesh, along with the National Teachers Union, raising our voice to save the country by building forthcoming generations with values and everything. The present government in the state as well as the center are taking enormous number of anti-education decisions. One of them are TET, Teachers Eligibility Test. We strongly condemn that teachers who have completed 30 years of service are asked to attend for the eligibility test. This is quite unfair and useless in the field of education system. The second one is the new education policy which has been derived recently was not positive. There has been many negative impacts. That's why we are demanding the central government that the new education policy should be revised with the intellectuals, especially with the people in the education system. We, the people from Andhra Pradesh, demanding that education system purely government sector and each independent citizen of India should read in the same school. The children of MP, MLA, common teacher, rickshaw should read in the common school itself. Not only that, the government is slowly imposing the contributory pension scheme throughout the country without seeking any kind of security to the government employees. We demand old pension scheme to be revealed. No alternative is accepted. Regarding these four issues, we, the national teachers, as AIJ, started the agitation, going to take into serious steps, and we will fight forever until the education system in India is saved and served for the entire young nation, which is the future generations of India. Abolish tests, abolish CPS, revise the India system, new education policy. Jai Hind, Jai Shri.
డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ కోనసీమ జిల్లా ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. అంతా కూడా సర్వీస్లో ఉండి వారిని చెప్పడం సంబద్ధమైన అదే వేరే డిపార్ట్మెంట్కి అటువంటి నిబంధనలు కేవలం ఉపాధ్యాయులు మాత్రమే ఈ నిబంధనలు వర్తించడం చాలా దీన్ని నిరసన కలప చేయడానికి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, తెలంగాణ, దేశవ్యాప్తంగా అన్ని రాష్ట్రాల్లో కూడా వివిధ ఉపాధ్యాయ సంఘాలు ఆల్ ఇండియా జాతీయ కింద ఏర్పడి ఈరోజు పెద్ద ఎత్తున యంత్రమంత్రుల వద్ద ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొనడం జరిగింది. ప్రభుత్వం వెంటనే స్పందించి ఉపాధ్యాయుల యొక్క ఆకాంక్షలు వాళ్ళు గుర్తించి విరహించవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. అదేవిధంగా సిపిఎస్ విధానాన్ని రద్దు చేసి ఓపీఎస్ని అమలుపరచాలని మేము డిమాండ్ చేస్తున్నాం.